If you only had 5 minutes to shoot this GT3 RS, what kind of shots would you get? I'm going to teach you exactly what shots I get with a POV camera on my head. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so, geez. This is the car we will be shooting today. Just a little POV walk around. I'm out of breath going up all those stairs. No, there we go. Tried. Alright, so this is the Porsche GT3 RS we will be shooting today. Beautiful orange GT3 RS. So let's see actually what the actual color is for this. This is a paint to sample. Doesn't even tell me, I don't think, what it is. No idea. What color is this car?
It's orange.
Orange, okay, that's what that.
The red color?
Yeah.
I think it might be either gold orange or lava orange.
Lava orange, okay. I think it sounds familiar. Okay, sweet.
Or it could be its own pink sample, right?
Right, yeah, true.
Who knows what it is?
Because that's just all custom then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Either one. Lava is the most iconic one.
Okay. Interesting. Sweet, sweet. We're just gonna grab our camera, which is going to be the Sony a7 IV with the 2470 from Sigma, along with the new filter they got recently from Freewell Pro. This is the version 2 of the magnetic lock VND CPL. So I can control my lighting as well as I have a CPL on here as well, so that's super clutch. Thank you for them sending that out. But yeah, right now we're just getting the camera set up. Make sure that we have a card in here, we do. We're also gonna set up my third person angle, which is the Insta360 X5. And we just put this on a little selfie stick thing here. And then the good thing about 360 is I just hit record like that, and then I can reframe later in post. So that's really handy. We're just gonna get an opening shot with just the full 3/4, one of my favorite shots to get every time. But we have 5 minutes, so let's set a 5-minute timer. 5 minutes, all right, go. So first off, we're gonna get a 3/4 shot. It's always the go-to for everything that I do. Then we're gonna come up, do a front shot only. Fix the CPL. And what I'm doing is I'm fixing the CPL by taking off the reflections by just rotating the front element. We'll do another reverse 3/4. Do a vertical one maybe with the highlights. I love doing the highlight shot. And then also tilting the lens a little different ways to get some fun angles and everything. We'll also do a straight on shot as well. And then also key point, try and get eye level with the car. And I say eye level meaning get down on the headlight level, because that's like the eyes of the car in my opinion. We'll come down, we'll get a carbon mirror shot here. Once again, fix the CPL. Punch in, get some more detail, as well as get a little rear wing. And then we'll get a straight on shot of the wheel. Fix the CPL again. Get a rear 3/4. Fix the CPL again. I need that on a shirt, honestly. Fix the CPL. Tilt it for some added flair or added fun. We got a rear shot looking up at the wing, trying to not touch the car behind me. Trying to get the full wing in the shot. We'll do another reverse 3/4, but we're gonna shoot over the blue one maybe. Just show that like there's other cars in this lot as well. Like that. We'll do a full rear wing, maybe shooting under the wing of this one. Now you can't really see much. Maybe shooting this way. How are we doing on time? 2 minutes left, got it. All right, cool. We'll do a headlight one right here. Are you able to open the door of this? Is it unlocked? We're gonna try and get some keys to do a quick interior, which means since he's paused, we're going to swap to the 16th to 25 to do some interior shots. Okay, it's unlocked now, so let's start the timer again. Cool, go full door open. We can get an interior here. Go full 16 millimeters. Got a quick shot of the seats coming over the door panel here. All right, we'll close this guy up. Actually got to slam the doors on these ones. And then we'll come do my favorite shot as well, the driver's side. We'll come do this side here. And then we'll do the shot here of the center seat to make it look like I'm actively driving. And we'll shoot through the tack. Beautiful, we'll get some stitching shots. Beautiful. I think we're almost done, maybe. Let's get a really ultra wide here as well. Well, that's the timer going off right now. Last shot. All right, cool. That's 5 minutes. So what do you guys, how do you guys think I did? Did I do okay? Well, let me know how I did. If you guys liked this type of video, I'll try and do more of them at the Porsche dealership or even any dealership for that matter. But if you like this, remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.